Next, we're going to test for transition metals. Now, what are transition metals? These are metals with varying oxidation states. They are usually found in the middle block of the periodic table. So transition metals have varying oxidation states, and then they are found over there in the middle block of the periodic table. When you put transition metals in water, solution of transition metals, they produce colored solutions. When you react the transition metal with sodium hydroxide, it is going to produce a transition metal hydroxide that is insoluble. Okay, so a transition metal hydroxide precipitate will be formed. Firstly, when you put iron 2 salt in solution, we are going to get a green colored solution. Now the iron 2 reacts with sodium hydroxide to produce iron 2 hydroxide, FeOH2. Now this is insoluble, and then it is a green precipitate. Okay, the iron 2 will form a green solution. The precipitate is also green in color. This precipitate will turn orange brown when you leave it to stand for a while. Iron 3 will produce an orange brown solution in water. When you add sodium hydroxide to it, iron 3 hydroxide is formed, and this is also an orange brown precipitate. Copper 2 produces a blue precipitate when you react it with sodium hydroxide. When you put copper 2 in water, it is going to produce a blue solution. When drops of sodium hydroxide come in, you are going to get a blue precipitate being formed. So the precipitates are usually the same color as the solution they form.